Hello everyone, welcome back and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will share with you how to make very yummy crispy chicken, and with this recipe guys you can make your KFC fried chicken at home. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. I will start by seasoning the chicken. It is thoroughly washed. Then I will season with some salt, seasoning powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, onions powder, smoked paprika, some hot pepper, dried basil leaf, dried curry leaf, then some milk. This is a combination of buttermilk with orange. Then I will mix everything together. So after mixing, you can place it in fridge overnight or for some hours for the spices to circulate, for it to marinate very well. So as for me, I place it in fridge in the morning, then I fry it in the afternoon. So even if you didn't do that, you fry it right away after mixing, there is no issues. Your chicken will still come out spicy and juicy. So I just sip some cornstarch and some flour, then I will season with some salt, chicken seasoning, onions powder, some garlic and ginger powder, smoked paprika, and I'll give it a mix. Then after that I'll keep it aside. Note, it's very important to season the flour because we don't want to taste. Next, I will crack some eggs into a bowl. So for the egg, this is my first time of using egg for crispy chicken. I've not used it before, so we are going to see how it goes. Then I will season with a little bit of salt, some crushed seasoning, some hot pepper, onions powder, and some milk. Then I will mix to combine. So at this point, I've already preheated some oil. Then I will coat the chicken by putting it into the flour mixture first. Then after that, I'll put it into the egg, then bring it back to the flour. Then after doing that, I will put it into the preheat oil. And I'll fry this until it turns golden brown. If today is the first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you guys a lot. A lot. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. So right now I'm just going to coat the chicken down so that as I'm frying it, it will get more easier. Also, you can see I'm no longer using egg. I will tell you the reason why I stopped to use egg. So there's a behind the scene. You will see that later. So at this point, the chicken is golden brown. So I will go ahead to pack them out from the oil. And I will repeat the process until I get to the final parts. Voila! Guys, crispy chicken is ready. Serve and enjoy. And I'm eating mine with some fried potato, some ketchup, and mayonnaise. Please don't forget to like, share my video with your family and friends, and leave a comment if you have enjoyed this recipe so far and you like what you see. Thank you. So guys, this is what happened. I don't understand why it happens because it's my first time using egg for crispy chicken. So I just want to show you guys the behind the scenes. So if you are using this recipe, know that I did not use egg. I later did it with just the flour. So I did not use the egg again. If you still want to go ahead with the egg, it's fine if it's on out well for you. But for me, it did not go well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay blessed.